Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you a really convenient and portable little ketchup packets. These are Heinz Ketchup packets. I love ketchup. It is basically a food group for me. So having a really handy portable way to take it on the go is awesome. So these little packets are really nice size and they're easy to take with you in your lunch bag. They're easy to put in your kids' lunch box or keep at work because they don't need to be refrigerated. So really, really portable and easy. I love the flavor of the ketchup. It is a little bit sweet and a little bit sour, and it's just perfect for all kinds of things. So if you're like me and you have to have ketchup and you want to be sure that you can have it at all times, you're going to need a portable solution. So I would definitely recommend these little Heinz packets. They are delicious, they are very convenient and portable, and that's my point of view.